I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm in my home office, and this is a project that I have wanted to do for a very long time and finally got around to doing it. I hope you enjoy. So guys, this is the closet inside my office, and my plan is today to give it a complete makeover with some paint and this inexpensive contact paper from Kmart. So guys, these shelves were in dire need of some paint, and I started first of all with this beautiful blush pink paint. Now it is actually a colour match from some of my home decor, and it also is the colour of my shiplap wall here in my office. Now I went in and I painted all the shelves that beautiful baby pink, and off camera I added the contact paper to the back. Now here I've got the hubby taking off the closet doors. I also had this MDF office sign, guys, that I took outside and gave 2 coats of gold spray paint.
Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love. Baby, let me love you.
And here is my glam office makeover. I'm so happy with how it came.
When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you.
Guys, I'm so happy with how I transformed my closet into a mini office. I took some baskets from Kmart and I made storage solutions, as well as having organisation with some bins down the very bottom shelf. So guys, I had a licensed electrician come in and put in PowerPoints for my computer as well as my printer. Now guys, I always wanted to do this DIY project. It's been on the back burner for over a year. I used to look at Pinterest all the time of how people took closets and made them into mini offices, and this particular closet was always a catch-all area. It just, everything got thrown in here, and I figured that not only would it be a a wonderful office space, but it would also encourage me to, with the doors off, keep the area clean and to declutter what I had in here in the first place and make it into a useful space.
If you hold me close, I won't let go again. We have time to grow. This wasn't a mistake, and we can grow old if you love me again.
I also love that the rest of the room is just a simple space now. I can also sit behind this desk and use my laptop if I need to do other projects, but I like that I have two workspaces now.
It was years ago, but I still see your face. Freckles on your cheeks, how you talked in your sleep. We had plans and I was your biggest string, yeah. Then I didn't call for weeks. Thought the love wasn't for me, no. Still think of you. Still dream of you. But if you hold me close, I won't let go again. We have time to grow. This wasn't a mistake, and we can grow old if you love me again, my friend. This time is different, so please do not let me go.
If you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home. I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves sharing my passion of home decor. I share DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and home tours of my home. So if that's something that may interest you, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
Grow old if you love me again, my friend. This time is different, so please do not let me go. Please do not let me go. Please do not let me go. It was years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating your glam home office. Don't forget, guys, to give me a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can. And I'd love most of all, guys, if you would hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
Tomorrow comes and you are not around, feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us?
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.